Have you ever wondered how towering trees or vibrant flower fields manage to spread life across vast landscapes? Nature is a genius, crafting incredible strategies to ensure plants thrive and multiply. In today's video, we'll uncover 10 of the most ingenious and surprising seed dispersal methods in the natural world. Get ready to be amazed. Our first contender is the impatiens plant, also known as touch-me-not. When its seed pods ripen, even a gentle touch causes them to explode, flinging seeds several meters away. This ensures the seeds escape the parent plant's shadow and find new ground to grow. Nature's little fireworks in action. The coconut palm is a true adventurer of the plant world. Its seeds, encased in buoyant, fibrous husks, can float across vast oceans. Once they reach a suitable shore, they germinate, creating new palm forests. A natural testament to resilience and wanderlust. In arid deserts, the prickly pear cactus employs an ingenious dispersal method. Its fruits are sweet and fleshy, attracting animals like birds and lizards. These creatures eat the fruit and carry its seeds across long distances, depositing them in new locations. Even in the harshest climates, life finds a way to flourish. Dipterocarp trees, found in tropical forests, produce seeds with wing-like structures. As these seeds fall, they spin like tiny helicopters, catching the wind and traveling far from the parent tree. This elegant strategy ensures their survival in competitive environments. Ephedra, a desert shrub, uses a fascinating trick to attract pollinators. Its fruits exude a shiny resin that reflects moonlight, acting as a beacon for nocturnal insects. These visitors not only pollinate but also help carry seeds to new locations. A brilliant strategy for life in the dark. The Aristolochia, or pipevine plant, takes a more cunning approach. Its flowers mimic the smell of rotting flesh, luring unsuspecting insects. Once inside, they're trapped until pollination is complete. Afterward, the insects are released, carrying pollen, and sometimes seeds, to the next flower. Dandelions are masters of wind dispersal. Their seeds are attached to tiny parachutes that catch the breeze, traveling miles away from their origin. This simple yet effective strategy ensures their seeds find new homes in open fields or cracks in city pavements. Erodium seeds are like tiny engineers. When exposed to moisture, they twist and turn, using their corkscrew shape to drill themselves into the ground. This ensures they're firmly planted in the soil, ready to germinate when conditions are right. Meet the sandbox tree, a tropical marvel with an explosive personality. Its seed pods burst open with a loud bang, flinging seeds up to 15 meters away. This dynamic dispersal method minimizes competition and gives its offspring the best chance to thrive. Meet the sandbox tree, a tropical marvel with an explosive personality. Its seed pods burst open with a loud bang, flinging seeds up to 15 meters away. This dynamic dispersal method minimizes competition and gives its offspring the best chance to thrive.